some of the big boys right now. We want to see the niggas get crazy and active. And nobody now Ocean Free, they back Lord of Jesus. Hey yo, I got big niggas outside. That's what they call them brothers. Let's get crazy. I want to post another message activation. The nights I want active. You got the thing right there. Shout out to these guys, these guys. I got to see the guys, these people coming in tonight. They call me DJ Beauty, much over there. It's gonna be another level DJ. Congratulations to see you, Celebrity Lifestyle. We're launching the brand, is a big brand tonight. With the TikTok on the highway, big time. Everybody to my nigga, Easy Tiger, and Sachi Manji. You know we feel like tonight. Hey, what's up with the big boys? You call one by one. This is Saturday, I'm reading the extra edition.
I don't get my energy, I don't get time for the enemy. I need to for me. Nothing with nothing, it's the rest. Now my DNA.
We are putting our shot tonight. One shot, that's worship. It's a technical special abilities. The running sheet and the lines, my nigga. It's a we gonna play tonight. We gonna play tonight. We gonna play tonight, baby. We talking clear bottles right there. But that's the shit that we set out to the phone. My nigga, we still gonna come out and go. We never really go far. We sing it outside, you sing it